Welcome to Netcruzer RC, regular Wednesday night race night. Buggies again on the, it's the blower. TLR 22, this is actually the second night I'm running it with the brass C-block, and now I've moved the battery to the furthest rearest position, which has helped balance out the car immensely. Also, they're sugaring the track with sugar water, which has helped also with traction. I've slightly, ever so slightly, loosened off my slipper. I've went back to the worn out reverse ellipses, moving the battery to the rear. Let's see how we do in this B main race, two-wheel drive buggy. All right, let's go out with the 22 with the battery fully back with the brass C-block, starting third in the B main.
Waiting on John, Kevin, and Jim to check in.
That would be me.
Also waiting on a couple more marshals.
Yeah.
It's been hot there, John White. Getting hot. The Netcruzer. We got for this guy. He's third overall. Straightaway is closed.
Oh, I don't even get a lap. Okay.
DQ, Brian Nesbitt.
Associated 6.2D.
Dominic Sagan. Number 3, John Kennedy, the Netcruzer. Number 4, JC.
Rolled a little
Number
forward.
5, Jim. Number 6 is Mark. Marshall's ready. Driver's ready. Be racing at the sound of the tone, less than 5. That's a nice clean start.
First, second, third, fourth, fifth.
We got some battles here.
Easy, JC.
Oh, our leader to the fight. Good Marshall, good job. That gives our DQ some work to do. He's in third right now. Dominic is at the rope.
Fourth,
Yeah, feels way better with the battery fully back. Unbelievable difference.
Brian's on the ball and give these guys a head start. And then some.
That's my driving push there.
Dominic can take it every time.
first,
John Cruiser. John.
I got stuck. That dropped me to third.
Brian get by.
fourth,
It don't matter now.
Our leader through the big jump. Brian goes wide. No,
Oh.
must have been Mark.
Let's stop in the middle. I know.
Second place. Oh, leader crashed the corner. That was second place catch up. Brian's on into the straightaway. We got a battle going again.
Finally, the car feels good.
Here comes 1, 2. Oh, here makes a problem. They're on each other. This is, oh, you got the piece of them. I gotta know it. Dominic, classy guy. Oh, come on. Now let's just turn it over.
Dang it! I could have got in the first there if I had to just...
Third place is like, that's not my problem. I'm coming for you. Netcruzer. Somehow.
Yeah.
Okay, we got Brian. We got Dominic. We got a battle. We got John Kennedy. John in the spot. If something goes wrong with you guys.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
I think that worked out in the end, actually. Oh, Dominic, look at the
I need 1 and 2 to start tussling.
Oh, bad roll. Here comes third. John Kennedy. He's looking for it. Oh, that's a tough one for Dominic. That was John get by. Brian, thank you very much. I'm walking away here.
first,
Oh, it's okay. Our leader crashed. He's on his move. I'm watching 2-3 here. They're having a battle. We got another one going out.
That was clean. I think this is the leader ahead. It is. I caught up to Brian a little bit.
1-2. They're not far apart. Number 3 is there. The battle is still happening.
First.
Checking the clock. 2.2 seconds between Brian and John. 4.4 between Brian and Dominic. And another 2.2 between John and Dominic. So they're pretty much spread out evenly.
In second place with the 15 lap 5
Stop doing that.
followed by Dominic to be in good place with the 15 lap 5, 15.1.
Watch out. Here comes your leaders. That's right. Look out, Mark. Look out, Mark.
First.
There she goes.
Second.
Fierce battles going on here. Our leader's on his roof. Come on, Scott.
Well, yeah, but second's right on me.
Please don't be on your phone.
Oh!
Dominic looks inside, he takes it. Brian is right there, he wants a piece of this. He looks inside on JK, nothing there.
30 seconds left.
30 seconds to go, 30 seconds to go. Drag race on the
Good pass, Brian. Good pass.
He's got Dominic ahead of him. He's right on his tail. This is going to be a tight finish. We got this and only one more lap to go. Look out. Mark, here we go. Hold on, son. Hold on, hold.
First.
1-2 cross the line. 3 cross the line. Watch these doubles and triples. Drag race on the back straight between these two boys. Look out on the inside. Oh, he takes them out. They both go off the track. Oh my God. Oh, 4-3. You get him, son.
Oh, 1 and 2 crashed. That puts me ahead.
Finish your lap. DC, you're done.
Holy crap. Oh, man. Oh, sorry, guys. Oh, cross the line. I mean, that's a battle. Okay. Whoa, I made the bump because of the tussles. Alright guys, that was 2-wheel drive B-Main. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you're new around here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.
Dominic to be